Fiji offers island cruises, diving, surfing, fishing, river trips, hiking, wildlife encounters, and cultural experiences. The challenge is deciding what genuinely needs advance booking, what fits your itinerary, and what is better left flexible until you arrive. Book before traveling when missing an experience would materially change your holiday, or when places, operating days, equipment, or transfers are limited. Ordinary resort activities, markets, beach time, and easily replaced outings can usually remain flexible. These 10 practical steps will help you choose the right activities, coordinate the complete journey, compare the real cost, and check safety, suitability, and cancellation terms without turning every day of your Fiji holiday into a fixed appointment. Choose your destination before choosing activities. A tour from Denarau, the Coral Coast, Pacific Harbor, the Yasawas, or Taveuni may require a completely different journey. Confirm the actual departure point, not merely the destination name used in the description. Divide your activity wish list into priority, preferred, and flexible experiences. For an ordinary holiday, reserve only the 2 or 3 activities that would genuinely be difficult to replace. Leave enough unscheduled time for rest, local recommendations, and changing conditions. Map the complete journey from your accommodation to the pickup point, marina, trailhead, or activity base, and back again. Confirm who provides each transfer, the reporting time, expected return window, luggage limits, and the buffer before your next fixed booking. Book earlier when an experience depends on a small boat, specialist guide, dive team, surf transfer, fishing charter, private vehicle, or seasonal wildlife opportunity. Ask about availability for your exact date rather than relying on one general booking rule. Wildlife movements, tides, swell, wind, rainfall, and river levels can change how an activity operates. Confirm the relevant season and conditions with the provider, check official forecasts close to departure, and keep a realistic alternative for weather-dependent experiences. Compare more than the headline price. Include transfers, equipment, meals, park or community fees, taxes, card charges, and optional extras. Calculate the complete cost for the same travelers, date, and cancellation conditions before deciding which activity offers suitable value. Ask who actually operates the activity, what relevant licenses or certifications apply, and how the company handles weather, equipment failure, and emergencies. Check that your travel insurance wording covers the exact activity, including any depth, equipment, or remote evacuation conditions. Confirm age, swimming ability, fitness, mobility, medical and pregnancy restrictions for the actual experience. Ask about boat ladders, beach landings, uneven paths, heat exposure, and safety briefings. General labels such as family-friendly or suitable for beginners are not enough. For village, cultural, or community experiences, confirm the host, permission, local protocol, and photography rules. For wildlife and nature activities, choose practices that avoid touching, chasing, feeding, crowding, or damaging animals and habitats. Read the cancellation, weather, minimum number, and refund conditions before paying. Confirm who controls any change when a booking platform is involved. Keep at least one flexible period in the itinerary and save the confirmation, meeting point, terms, and contact details offline. Many Fiji activities can be arranged after arrival, but priority experiences may have limited capacity or operating days. Never assume transport, equipment, or resort activities are included. Ask direct questions about the exact product, date, travelers, and departure point. Before paying, confirm the date, reporting time, departure point, transfers, complete cost, inclusions, safety requirements, and traveler suitability. Save the cancellation terms and contact details. Check your insurance and ensure the activity fits safely around every flight, ferry, and accommodation transfer. Choose the destination first. Reserve the 2 or 3 experiences that matter most, and keep the remainder of the holiday flexible. The best Fiji itinerary protects the important moments while leaving enough time for the islands, the weather, and unexpected discoveries.